Hey Facebook and YouTube, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, and here behind me I have a 2021 Honda Odyssey LX. I'm going to walk around this vehicle, show you all the cool standard features and functions, answer those questions for those that are considering to buy one of these, or even dreaming about it. If you guys are in the market, you can contact me here at 319-540-7307. Ask for me, Crazy Honda Chris. That's my direct line from that point. Then also, if you guys found this video helpful, please feel free to show your support by hitting like and subscribe and leave a comment down below with any questions you guys may have. All right, well, thank you again, guys, for watching. Let's go walk around it. All right, so right now we're outside of the 2021 Honda Odyssey LX. We're gonna walk up to the Maroni sticker, so get some quick, brief information. As usual, you guys are always welcome to pause at the Maroni sticker to explore on your own or continue to explore with me. Now, up on the top right-hand corner, it talks about your fuel economy. You got 19 for the city, 28 for the highway with a combined of 22. Down on the right-hand corner, it talks about your safety ratings. Who doesn't love safety? Down over here to the side where the vehicle's made at, it's Lincoln, Alabama. It is a US-made product. The price point, and then the list of standard features, which we're going to cover today. All right, comes standard with 2 key fobs. I got the car right now started up because it's freezing outside, so it's right in there. We're going to have all of your Honda sensing features come standard. I'm talking about your lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and your forward collision magnetic braking. From that point, with road departure, you're also going to have LED lights all the way around for a base model. So you got LED tail lights, daytime running lights, and headlights. You have a 3.5 V6 with a 10-speed automatic transmission. So you get 280 horsepower. You have a towing capacity of 3,500 pounds. From that point, we'll step right over here along the side of the vehicle. You got these nice 18-inch alloyed rims. So no hubcaps or anything. It looks pretty nice and sharp for a base model. Step right over here, you got a nice blacked out finished plastic on the side mirrors and handles. Then around the windows, you got a little bit of chrome action on the bottom of the windows. Rear tinted privacy windows. We're gonna have a capless gas tank. So when the car is unlocked, you can simply come up, push that door right in, pops right open. No longer $2 cap to argue debate with. It's a simple sliding go, cutting your time in half so you're not having frozen fingers as you try and get in and out. And when you're all done, shut it from that point. Now when the car's locked, this is going to be locked so no one can get in and out from there. We'll step in towards the back. Once again, you got LED taillights. This makes a bold statement as you apply into the brakes for safety, of course. A little bit of Odyssey badging down there below. So you're going to have a nice little finish here on the tailgate. Instead of all chrome like in the previous, you're going to have a nice little black finish. And then a little bit of chrome within that. You have a multi-angle rear camera. Your multi-angle rear camera is going to be right down over here. Hydraulic lift gate. Pops right open pretty easy. Nice deep storage space right down here. So all that cargo you're going to need, challenge accepted. Live life, make it happen. You got some additional cubby space off to the side. And right here on the other side, same scenario. You're going to have a 12-volt plug-in. And then you have your capless tank funnel right here, just in case for emergency gas can. Snaps right in back in place. You can do it one-handed. It's pretty easy. So I already adjusted the third row seat a little bit. You can see you have a couple different adjustments. You can bring those down. It's going to be easy. Simple grab and pull. I can do it one-handed. Same thing once again with this one. There we go. It's down nice and flat. So you can make things kind of work out. Couple cup holders here in the back, adjustable vents. Same thing on the other side. Then you have a third seat belt right over here. On and off switch here for your rear light. Now to pull these back up, it's going to be easy. Go from there, grab this, and let go as you see fit, wherever you want to let it go at. There we go. All right, we have a manual sliding doors. As you open this up, it's going to be a 7-passenger, only available in a 7-passenger. So you got the bucket seats here in the middle, no center console. There's a nice little cap there, so you know friends, family, everyone can run right through and just get into the back pretty quick and easy. You can also slide the seats forward right here. slide them right back. Pull the seats right down. Gotta pull that lever again, pull it back up to unlock it, and then there we go. Carpet mats come standard, no additional charge there. You got your spare tire right underneath. As we get right in here, you got a nice little courtesy pocket in the back of the passenger seat for that additional storage. You got your adjustable vents right over here. Within the sliding door, you have a place for beverages, books, magazines, stuff like that. Now, as we close this, your windows come down just like that. Pretty nice. All right, we're gonna have some additional cup holders right over here. And then I just got locked in with child safety. And that's all right. I know how to get out. All right, we're going to take a quick break. I'm going to let my hands warm up and we're going to explore the front seat, all right? So I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, so as we're back now, I kind of want to point out where the child safety locks out and the sliding door so you guys won't get stuck just like me. So as you open this up, down over here off to the side, right now I just turn it off. We're turning that back on, so now anyone in the back cannot open up the sliding door. Now we have it off, so now the customers can get in and out as they explore the new Honda Odyssey. There we go. So as we open the front door here, we got a nice leather armrest here. You guys know about power windows, power locks. You got your window lock button there just in case someone's misbehaving. Lock, unlock, all this stuff's easy. You got your mirror selector, left and right, the D-pad you adjust accordingly. Nice little tray space. Some additional cubby space down over there. You're also going to have power seats. All right, so up, down, you got your tilt. You got your tilt on the front half from that point. Now over here on the passenger side, you guys are going to love this. We also have four-way adjustment right over here. So check that out. You got your forward, back, and then recline from that point. All right, so power seating over here on the passenger side for the base model. All right, so as we open this up, you have a hood release down over here. Carpet mats, once again, sorry for the mess. I'm getting it out in the middle of winter. You're gonna have your electrical parking brake, and you have a hold brake from that point. Let's jump right in. You got some additional buttons here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. You got your vehicle stability assist, so if you ever get stuck in the snow, you can mess with that if you need to, get it out. Then you have this button here for a quick point reference to customize your Honda sensing. So, you know, if you want to turn on and off your road departure, you can select all that with this D-pad from there. Forward collision magnetic braking. And those are your two options from right there. Now to get out of that, you can simply hit the back button and it takes you right out of there, all right? We're gonna have a telescope steering wheel. So it goes in and out, up and down. And just go ahead and relock that as you see fit. We're gonna turn down the fan speed here quick. There we go. All right, so right over here on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you got your cruise control button. You can see when that's available. Once you hit this button there, so it's on. When I shut it up, hit that button again, it's off. You can set your cruise control once it's available. Set, change the speeds, and you have your adaptive cruise control from right here. As I'm selecting this button, you can see those lines that they're changing. So we're setting the distance between you and the car in front of you. So let's say, for example, you're going, I don't know, 65, the car in front of you is going 55. Once it senses that car in that distance, it will beep. You can turn that beep on or off, excuse me. It slows you down to maintain that distance, so your speed will match with theirs. Once they get out of the way, you resume back to whatever your cruise control speed was at. They have your lane keep assist. It's designed for your highway driving, so you go between 45 and 90 miles an hour. It'll find lines on the road, so those dotted hollow out lines will be filled in white dotted lines to give you a visual confirmation that it's doing its job. All right, so when you go out of your lane, once again, a little bit, You can customize this, a little beep, on or off, then also automatically brings you back and recenters you, keeps you in the center of those lanes. The whole point of that is to make those long journey drives a little more comfortable and have confidence for those drives. Now over here on the left hand side of the steering wheel, you got your hands free for your phone. You got answer, hang up, back of the menu, voice command, hey, click that, call Crazy Honda Chris, mobile phone. I'll answer all of you guys' questions. And I'm going to silently kind of walk through some of this stuff here on the display. If you guys have any questions about this stuff, feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer that for you. And then you got all your media stuff here, volume control, your station, stuff like that, different sources between your radio sources. You got shifter pedals up here, pretty much change your automatic to a manual. So if you end up towing something behind you, going up and up and down hills, you can choose how do you want to go from the shifting from that point. You got your wipers and everything on this side, right over here. As you pull down, the more you pull down, the faster they're going to go. And then you're going to have your rear wiper. We're going to have auto lights. Then we'll come right over here on this 5-inch display screen. You got your brightness button right here, so if it kind of bugs you between your day or nighttime driving, you can adjust accordingly. You get your radio options. So just kind of select that right now. We have FM1, so you can go from FM1 from 6 different stations. FM2, you have 6 more stations. You have a total of 12 FMs. Then you have your AM radio from that point. Media, you got a flash drive. You don't have a CD player, but that's not a problem. You can download your CDs or books, whatever the case is, you want to listen to onto the flash drive. Then it's a plug and play into the USB port, which is going to be right over here, all right? So you have a couple USBs. I'll show you a little more of that here in a second. Hit media again. You have your Bluetooth, and there we go. So you got your phone. You can pair up multiple phones from here. What I like to pair up and stuff like that. And then you got all this stuff right in there. You got your volume control on and off for the radio right there. Now you have all of your climate control and everything here in the center, on and off. Sync, just have the control of everything to be synced together. You got your different modes. Gives you a little visual down here. Front defroster, rear defroster, air circulations, rear settings. So I can adjust that too as well. If I need to accommodate a little more for the passengers in the back, or if I just want to shut it off. All right, you got your hazard lights right over here. So as you smack that, as you can see, your lights are going to be going off. If you ever need that button, you're going to notice we don't have a shifter here. It's going to be a shift by wire technology. So simply as you're driving down the road, I can't just be smacking buttons. It's going to tell you can't. You have to apply onto the brakes to shift. So simply put my foot down on the brake, throw it in reverse, tap that down. Your multi-angle rear camera automatically displays. So this little photo down here shows you how the camera acts. It's a nice 180 view. Kind of shows you from that point. You can change that view by hitting 1. And there we go. So we have a nice right behind you view, then a straight down shot from your rear bumper view. You can also select this button over here. It'll do the same thing for you. All right, neutral, see, it changes colors to let you know where you're going from that point. Drive, then you have a sport drive. Sport's just going to change your gear ratio, make it more for throttle response from that point. You have Econ. Econ is going to make you more fuel efficient, most effective for your highway driving. As you hit this button, you see there's a little green light to let you know it's on. You're going to be sacrificing acceleration power, AC power, and electrical power up front to give you better highway fuel economy. You may see anywhere from 2 to 4 more miles to a gallon, depending on how aggressive you're driving, all right? Now, also corresponding with that, you want to be a little more self-aware on your fuel efficient. You're going to have this white bar right up there to the top. You can see that it changes colors from white to green when you're being fuel efficient, then green to white when you're not. So it's a nice visual coach. You're going to have your intelligent traction management. So it's going to be a snow mode right here. As you select that, it displays right up here between normal and snow. It's going to change how your car is going to perform to optimize handling in that snow environment. And then so once I have it selected, you can see it right there above the park. shift, it's going to say snow right up there. So when you get back into the car, you're going to be aware that, hey, you still have it in snow mode. When I change it back to normal, the car comes standard with idle stop. So with idle stop, pretty much when the car meets a certain criteria, you put down on your brake and holds there for a few seconds. It's automatically going to partially shut off the engine to make you more fuel efficient. So you're not consuming gas while being idle. You know, like at the drive-through, waiting for a train, stop sign, stuff like that from there. Now, it's simply when you let go of the brake, it will automatically jump right back on and get you going. But for some reason, on God's green earth, you want to shut that off, not a problem. Click and hold this button there, then it automatically will shut off right there for you. All right. It's going to be a push button start. So simply have the key fob with you when you get into the car, put your foot down on the brake, then hit the start button. And then when you shut off the car, you can simply just hit the button and it shuts right off for you. Down over here, you got a nice little hidden tray. You can have a 12-volt plug-in. Nice tray right here again. Kind of take a nice little, it's a pretty deep area. Hope you guys can view that there from this funny angle. Then of course we got some cup holders. Nice little tray area here again. Nice deep cubby area. We have an aux plug-in, then a couple USBs. We all got our own armrests. So you got nice premium cloth seats. I love the trim work. Kind of a nice little divider. Glove box, big enough. Challenge accepted. Fill it up. Forget about what's in there. I do it every day. Place for the sunglasses, little condensation mirror so I can keep an eye on cargo, pets, friends, family, whoever's brave enough to tag along with me. This is simply for the dome lights. All right, so yeah, that's going to be it, guys, there for the 2021 Honda Odyssey LX walk around. If you guys have any further questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. You can contact me. Once again, my number is 319-540-7307. If you guys ever own a Honda Odyssey, like to share your experience, feel free to share that with the community. People will love to hear about that, as those are considering to buy one of them. And once again, if you guys found this video helpful, please feel free to show your support by hitting like and subscribe. Or if you think there's anything else I need to add about these walk-around videos, also share that with me down in the comments, all right? All right, well, thank you again, guys, for watching. Remember, Crazy Honda Chris is your friend in the car business. We'll talk to you later.